If you're tired of carrying heavy loads while camping, shopping, or hitting the beach, you're in for a treat. Today, we're checking out 3 of the best collapsible wagons that make transporting your stuff effortless. Stick around because each of these carts has something unique to offer, and the links to grab them at the best prices are in the description. Now, let's jump right in. First up, we have a compact and lightweight folding wagon that weighs just 12 pounds but packs a punch. When folded, it's small enough to fit in any car, making it perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, or everyday errands. The 360-degree rotating front wheels and ergonomic extendable handle make maneuvering a breeze, even with a full load. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, this cart is designed to withstand different terrains and all-weather conditions. Plus, the detachable wheels make cleaning super easy. No more bringing dirt into your car or storage space. Whether you're heading to the grocery store, a sports event, or a garden project, this wagon is your perfect companion. Next, we have a wagon that takes durability to the next level. With a sturdy steel frame supporting up to 255 pounds, this cart can handle everything from camping gear to gardening tools with ease. The 600D Oxford fabric with PVC coating ensures resistance to water and tears, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. One standout feature is its removable wheels. Press a button, and they come off for even more compact storage. And when it's time to use it again, the double bearing system ensures smooth rolling. Setting it up is effortless, thanks to the internal pull rope that lets you fold or unfold it in seconds. If you're looking for a versatile and space-saving solution for the beach, fishing trips, or everyday hauling, this might be the one for you. Last but definitely not least, the Seiki Collapsible Wagon is the powerhouse of the bunch. With an impressive weight capacity of 440 pounds and an ultra-deep storage space, this is the perfect cart for those who need to carry more in one go. Its patented frame structure, with pipes 20% thicker than standard wagons, ensures stability even with heavy loads. The 7-inch all-terrain wheels and built-in brakes allow for smooth movement on any surface, be it sand, gravel, or grass. Despite its massive capacity, it folds down into a compact size in seconds, with no assembly required. Plus, it comes with a carry bag for easy transport. Whether you're hauling camping gear, sporting equipment, or gardening supplies, this wagon is built to handle it all. So, there you have it, 3 incredible collapsible wagons, each with its own strengths. If you're interested in any of them, check out the links in the description for exclusive discounts and deals. And remember, these products were selected based on top-selling and highest-rated options from major online stores. If you have a favorite or think we missed a great option, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome product recommendations. See you next time.